Hello, let's try to solve this in this here equation. Let's try to solve this in this here equation. Okay? Now, we have this. This is 3 raised per x raised per x is equals to 3 raised per x plus 10. The exponent here is x raised per x, while the exponent here is x plus 10. So let's do this. Now we can rewrite this as what? 3 raised per x raised per x is equals to 3 raised per x dot 3 raised per 10. According to the law of indices, when you have the addition of the exponent, you can break them down since 3 is common to them in this form, so that the exponents being added will now carry products. So this one can have what? 3 raised per x is equal to, okay, now we have gotten this. Okay, let's do something so that we don't repeat the same question there. Let's do something. So with this now, you observe that 3 is common here. 3 is common. So let's now divide through by that 3. Dividing 2 by 3, we give us what? 3 raised per x all over 3 is equals to 3 raised per x dot multiplied by 3 raised per 10 all over 3. So by the time we do this, this one will imply what? We have what? X raised per x, okay, because 3 will cancel this 3, then is equal to 3 raised per x multiplied by 3 raised per 10. You know, when this 3 comes up, it becomes negative power minus 1. All right, good. I hope you understand that according to the law of indices, so 3 raised per 10 divided by 3. So it becomes 3 raised per minus 3 raised per 10 minus 1. So that will give us what? X raised per x is equals to 3 raised per x multiplied by 3 raised per 9. Now, if we can do something here, we can write this as x raised per x all over 3 raised per x is equals to 3 raised per 9. I hope we get that. Beautiful. Okay, that is by the time dividing both sides by 3 raised per x. So now, what next? Moving on. Let's do this. So the next thing now is you can rewrite this by, since the exponent is common, this will be x over 3 raised per x is equals to 3 raised per what? 9. Beautiful. Now, to remove the workload or the load on the exponent on the left hand side, yes, we have to be very, very pragmatic here and be technical. So this particular function, this exponent is x over 3, which is x times 1 over 3. Let's find the 1/3 roots, of these two sides of the equation. So what I'm saying is this: we have x all over 3 raised per x, now raised per 1 over 3, yes, that's the 1/3 root of the exponent. 3 raised per 9, 1 over 3. Okay, I hope that is clear. Fine. So by the time we expand it now, according to the law of indices, we have what? X, then x times 1 over 3, x raised by 1 over 3, x raised by x over 3, now is equal to, this we cancel this. So we have what? 3 left. Okay? Yes. Now, we have that. We have, this is x over 3. Sorry about that. Because when you expand this, you only have this. So x over 3. Now, looking at this now, you can compare the exponent here is x over 3. The exponent here is 3. So comparing them, you have x over 3 is equals to 3. So when you cross multiply, you have x is equals to 3 times 3, 9. That's when you compare the exponent. The exponent means the powers. Now comparing the bases, because the basis here is x over 3, the base here is 3. You have what? X over 3 is also equals to 3 over 1. So that also got x is equals to 9. So you can see that you have the same value for the value of x when you compare the exponent and when you compare the bases. So in this case now, our answer is x is equals to 9. Bye.